Okay, Daniel, try and get to your car. I know. I told you it was going to be difficult. Want to take Sister's hand? Look how tall the snow is. Now you might fall, but that's okay. Sister will help you up, okay?
See, I told you I didn't want to come out.
It's okay, honey.
I'm not going to carry you.
Carry him. Now, if Sister falls, it's okay. You'll just get up, okay?
Bye.
Put his head down over in that corner.
Stand right there.
Tuck his pant leg in.
Jordan, can you get his pant leg?
No, you're right next to him, and Jordan's down the stairs. Tuck his pant leg in.
Ow.
Yeah. Sierra killed the snowman, but he was still standing.
Here, move out of my way. Yeah, you cleaning off your car?
Here, let me get it down from the high hill. Okay? Excuse me.
He's fine. He's all right.
Can you see it?
What's the matter, honey? You don't like it? It's a lot of snow, huh?
It's so tall that he's as tall as the railing now.
Okay, do a good job. Here.
I slid down the stairs. Dean, you want me to do it again? Ready? That's where the deck won't hold this up.
Yeah, that's why he wants you to shovel the deck later.
Other people are worried about their roofs.
Whoa!
Yeah, Maria, don't forget a picture of that.
What?
Look at the way the snow's coming off the roof.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I already got some video of it.
The camera can't even focus because of the fact that it's white.
It's all white.
Sammy, it's okay.
Let's try it again.
Yeah. That's a lot of snow coming off the side. So it doesn't even focus?
Yep.
I don't know where we're going to put the car, Daniel.
What do you need, honey? Make him laugh, Sierra.
Sierra, do not knock that down.
Okay. Daniel, I'm gonna make you laugh. Okay? You ready?
Well, he's got to clean the interior.
What's the matter, Sammy? I'm sorry.